Hey, hello everyone. How are you today, my dear listeners, my dear friends, my dear subscribers all around the world, all the Genius FS family? I myself, ICHI-KUMO LINE from the Genius FS. I want to show you the evidence to prove that the latest strategy, which I posted yesterday, that 6 Ichimoku and 1 Bollinger Band, how it works perfectly. This is the result on a live account I entered. I just want to show you. Here is our trade today. Today is 26/07/2004, and here is the result on the live account. Okay, we took this entry this morning, just this morning we took this entry, and here is the entry. And as you can see, we added another strategy for you to see. And what is this strategy? I'm going to show you the settings of this strategy. We added a stochastic oscillator to make it a better strategy to filter a good entry, so that you. Hey guys, I want to quickly show you the interface of this website, FASTBULL.com. This website has been useful to all the traders around the world. I actually got this website around 2-3 weeks ago, and I've been using it perfectly. It helps me in my trading journey. I just want to show you the interface of this website. Okay, firstly, before I show you the interface, around here you are going to realize that this is an app. Okay, you can easily download the app from this area. As you can see, let me show you. This is my own app here. I downloaded the app. Okay, when you click the app, you'll be able to operate it on the mobile phone. Okay, so now like I said, the interface of this website made it easy for you to use. Okay, from this area you realize that you can easily check the currency pair quote in real time. You can easily check the currency pair quote in real time, and also you can chat other traders globally around the world. Also, there are top traders strategy analysis which you can copy to trade. You can copy trade top traders strategy and analysis. There's also an economic calendar. Okay, there's also an economic calendar where you can check what is going on at the global market. Okay, there are latest signals. FASTBULL website help you to generate signals. When you check their signals, you'll be able to compare it and then also trade wherever there is a genuine signal. FASTBULL also has an AI. Okay, there are AI on the website which you can trade with. Okay, around this place we have a market, and this is also market speculative sentiment, whereby you will know where to go. Maybe gold is bull is more stronger than bear. Maybe euro US dollar is more stronger in bull than bear, as on and so forth. Okay, also, like I told you, you can check this website. You click the link on my bio or check the link on my description. Thank you. God bless you. Here is the settings of the stochastic. K percent period is 300. D percent period is 320. Slowing is 1, and then this is the level. Okay, 90, 20, 80, and 10. Any color of your choice. Then any color of your choice around this place as well. Then you click done. Okay, guys, this is how your chart will look like. Let me show you. Here is the entry of yesterday. Okay, this is the entry of yesterday at the crossover of this stochastic. Okay, there is a very good movement at the crossover of this stochastic. There is a very good movement. I mean a very good movement. As you can see, there is a very good movement from this place and this place. You took your entry you put your stop loss at the back of this stochastic, Ichimoku, then you continue to ride your trade. So now look at this area. Let me just show you this area, guys. Let me show you this area. Around this place, you are going to realize that your price action is still uptrend, and then your Ichimoku is guiding the movement to the upside. Around this place, you don't do anything. When you see this crossover here, you don't do anything, guys. You don't do anything. Reason for this is because you are going to wait for your price action to cross the border before you can take your entry, guys. Now look at this place. Around this place now, we see a very good crossover here. There is a very good crossover around this place, okay? Yet the price action is in between, or let's say below the Ichimoku. You don't do anything until the crossover occur. So when the crossover occur, we took the entry from this place. I mean this place. That's where we took the entry. But we had experience of pullback to this side. We had experience of pullback to touch the Ichimoku and then bounce back up to our direction. Guys, this is a very good entry. We took this entry right from this place. That's where we took the entry. Okay, we have a very pullback. Okay, and then this is here our stop loss is. As you can see, this is our stop loss is. We put our stop loss here. We had pull back to this side. Okay, and then later market push up to our direction. And as you can see, we are already in profit, guys. We are already in profit. We use 0.03 on this live account, guys. Guys, I'm going to take the profit now at your presence for you to see that we are not joking at the Genius FS. Guys, I want you to know that this strategy is for scalping on 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and also you can try it on 30 minutes. God bless you. I'll be closing my entry now. Like I said, you can use this strategy on MetaTrader 4 and also MetaTrader 5. Now I use MetaTrader 5 to take this entry, but I'm closing all my position. I mean, when you click on this one, it will give you closing all position or closing all the profit. Now when I click all position now, it closes it once and for all. As you can see, guys, we are already in profit of $148 today. This is the first entry I pulled today, and then is already in my favor. Guys, I remain myself at Tokunbo from the Genius FS. Keep loving me, keep watching my video, keep subscribing, share to others to benefit. Don't be a greedy person, okay? But when next time I posted a video and I had my settings, I have my reasons for it. These settings I dash you free of charge. I have I intentionally dash you free of charge. But my next video might not be free. Thank you. God bless you. Real good. Bye.